To make a rectangle, go to Home tab and Draw panel and click on this rectangle tool. You can also select shortcut for this rectangle REC on command line. Let's click on this rectangle now. Once you click on this rectangle, you need to specify the first corner point for this rectangle. I am clicking at this point to make the first corner point. Now you have three different options in subcommand. Let's select dimensions. Now you need to specify length for this rectangle. As you can see in command line, let's enter a length of 100 units for this rectangle and press enter. Now you need to specify width. For width, I will specify 40 units and press enter. So here we have this rectangle with length 100 and width 40 units, but still our rectangle is not complete. Now when you move your cursor to the left of this, you'll see this rectangle gets flipped towards left. When you move it down, it will move down, and when you move it towards right, it will go towards right. So now it can be placed in any of these four quadrants, and you need to specify the quadrant where you want to place it. Let's say that I want to place it in this quadrant, so place it here and then click, and this rectangle will be formed. We have another method of making this rectangle as well. So if we have area of this rectangle, then click at a point and select area from subcommand. Now specify area. Right now I'm specifying an area of 500 square units and press enter. Next, command line will prompt you to select either length or width along with area, and the other value it will calculate automatically. So let's select length, and let's specify a length of 50 units and press enter. So obviously when you made this rectangle with a length of 50 unit, the other length, which is equal to 10 unit, will automatically be created according to the area of this rectangle. If you want to create a rectangle aligned at certain angle, then click at a point and select rotation. Now you can see that your rectangle will rotate according to your cursor, and you can also specify a rotation angle. Let's select 30 for rotation angle. Now here we have this rotated rectangle. Now we have the same options for selecting dimensions of this rectangle. So let's select dimension, specify a length of 100 and a width of 40 unit. And here we have a rotated rectangle with length of 100 units and width of 40 units. You still have the option of selecting the quadrant in which you want to place. I'll click here to place it in the first quadrant.